In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Project Mujatsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and play Project Mujatsu. This is going to work for any platform, so I am recording this video on my PC through the Roblox player, but you can also do this on mobile or even a console. All that you have to do is use the search function on the Roblox player to look for Project Mujatsu. Immediately upon looking for the experience, you will be able to find it under PM by Osiris Productions. You can confirm that it is the official experience by the fact that it has almost 75 million visits. So as you can see, you can find all of the keybinds by default. You have your backpack by L, Airwalk, T-Q, Rayatsu, menu, and so on. So take note of all of these controls, go ahead and join. Immediately upon joining, you will be able to play Project Mujatsu. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to play. I'm not going to give you too many in-depth instructions, but you will be able to choose from any of these slots and start playing. So if you want to make a private server, you will have to purchase them as you saw there on screen, but you can go ahead and play on any of the public servers as much as you wish. This should work for any platform, and if you are using the same account between multiple different platforms, your progress will always be saved. Just make sure to always choose the same save file. Once all of the data loads in, you will be able to control your character and start playing. So as you can see, since this is my first time ever joining the experience, they're gonna go over this little tutorial. This game is based off an anime called Bleach, where you pick your own route to go between Hollow, Soul Reaper, Fullbring, or Quincy, and go on adventures as you get stronger. So you will be able to recruit new players to join your party, you will be able to get new weapons, new skills, and it is a very well made experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Project Mujatsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.